welcome back to my channel and welcome to another tutorial review swatch on a brand new palette from Tarte. Tarte is really coming out with palettes this year. Like, I feel like they've already come out with, at the very least, like 5. I'm almost positive. So this is the Adelaine Morin and Tarte collaboration palette. I hope I said her name right. We know I can't pronounce anything. I kind of created like this really cute, easy yellow gold, kind of like summery look. I wanted to do something that was just super doable, nothing, no cut creases, no smoky eyes, just something that you could literally do with one eyeshadow brush or your fingers. So this is what I came up with. I over-exaggerated the freckles. That was by accident. We made it work and the look is just a super cute look and it kind of goes with the little theme here. I'm gonna swatch this whole palette for you guys. It is a really, really pretty palette and I love just all the colors inside of it, especially the yellow right there. I love yellow. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If you want to see swatches of the palette, then just keep on watching. But if you want to hop to the tutorial, then skip ahead a little bit. All right? Okay, sounds good. Okay. Alright guys, now that you've seen swatches, it's on to the tutorial. I'm starting off with an illuminating primer base from CoverGirl, and I'm just going to blend that all over my entire face. And then I'm also going to be using an illuminating blur stick from Milk Makeup. This is going to fill in any pores and make a really smooth base for our foundation. This is the Innisfree Cushion Foundation, and if you guys were curious on my thoughts about this, I did do a review a little bit back on it, so make sure to check that out. I'm applying that all over my face with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to be applying some concealer in all of my highlight areas, so underneath my eyes, my middle of my forehead, middle of my chin, my cupid's bow, nose, all of those fun areas. Then I'm going to blend it out and set everything with my Fenty Beauty translucent powder. So once I've done that, I'm going to move on to bronzer. This is the Hotel Heiress bronzer from Tarte. I'm pretty sure it's either Park F Princess or Hotel Heiress. I'm pretty sure it's Hotel Heiress. And I'm just going to bronze up my entire face with that bronzer before I move on to blush. The blush is from the Adelaine palette. And then I'm going to add some faux freckles. I took a Milk Makeup Cush Brow in a lighter shade, and I just went ahead and applied that all over my face and then used a beauty blender to kind of blend it out so they look a little more natural. I also went in with this brow mascara through my brows, and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. I kind of kept the eyes simple, wanted to do a look that's just kind of more wearable for you guys because I know I don't always do wearable looks. I'm just gonna start off with this like very basic matte like cream shade on the brow bone, and then I'm going in with a really big fluffy brush with the yellow, and I'm just gonna apply that on the lid. And then I decided that this was a little too simple, so I went an extra step after that and just added some of this red brown into the crease just to give it a little bit more dimension. And I did jump back in with a little bit more yellow so that the yellow was more opaque. I took the highlighter and I applied that to the inner corners. I'll also apply that to the brow bone. I set my face with a Pixie setting spray, and then I'm going to apply that same highlighter all over my face for a nice little glow. And then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. No falsies for this look. We're just applying this really cute Lights Camera Lashes limited edition mascara from Tarte in this cute yellow packaging. Hello train, thanks for joining. I'm gonna add shadows to the bottom lashes, and then I'm gonna add this really pretty gold more towards the inner corner of the bottom lashes. For lips, I had some difficulty here. I really like this Buxom lip stain, and I think I should have just left it like that, but I went on and I added a little bit more, and I kind of messed it all up, but came together, and this is the final look. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial review and swatch of the new palette from Tarte and Adelaine Morin collaboration. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like more videos like these, give it an extra thumbs up. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos right here on the side. I love you guys. I'm exhausted. I need to go. I need water, breakfast, something right now. Bye. I love you.